park here.
They're racing downhill. And there's a cop all the way up there.
Okay, we gotta go take a picture, Michael.
I'm recording.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Okay, pause it so we can go down there.
Babe, I'm sitting in here.
Yeah, it's possible. Okay, we're almost near the top of the mountain. The amazing thing, we see all these sports cars up here lining up. I don't know if they're gonna race down the mountain or what, but it's pretty awesome.
They have cameras on the roof.
Look at these cars. Porsche. Oh, wow.
Post this on YouTube.
Look at that. So
See, they have cameras on the back. Front.
I don't know what they're doing, but it's pretty awesome. Look at this orange one, number 6. Michael, why don't you ask them what they're doing?
Yeah, look at you. Want me to ask them?
Yeah, see what they're doing. Let's ask these guys. It sounds like they're racing. Look at that green car up there, the doors wide open. Pretty amazing.
Here they go.
Here they go. It's a good thing we got up the mountain in time, because I think they're racing down the hill. Oh, I'm glad you're up here. There they go. This is awesome.